Hello guys, if you're interested in starting a successful YouTube channel today, make sure you watch this video to the very end. Welcome to my channel, my name is God's Love.
In this video, we will provide you with an in-depth tutorial on how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch to success. We'll cover everything from identifying your niche to creating quality content, optimizing for SEO, using social media for promotion, and being consistent with your content creation. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow to achieve success on YouTube.
Hey, take note of this. The next time you hear a female voice, will be to reveal a bonus secret on growing and monetizing your channel super fast. Stay tuned for the magic voice. You sure want to watch this video to the very end, as what I'll be sharing with you today is a premium secret to YouTube channel growth and success. Welcome to this tutorial on how to grow your YouTube channel from scratch to success. If you're just starting out or you've been creating content for a while, this guide will provide you with actionable steps that you can take to grow your channel and increase your views and subscribers. So, let's get started. Step 1. Identifying your niche. The first step to growing your YouTube channel is to identify your niche. This means selecting a specific topic that you are passionate about and one that has an audience that is interested in that particular topic. Identifying your niche for your channel is the first and most important step towards creating a successful YouTube channel. A niche is a specific area or topic in which you will be focusing your content. It helps you to narrow down your choices and to stand out from the crowd. Here are some steps you can take to identify your niche. 1. Consider your passions and interests. Start by listing all the things you are passionate about or interested in. Think about what you enjoy doing in your spare time or what you find fascinating. 2. Analyze the competition. Research the channels that are popular in your area of interest and see what they are doing. Are there any gaps that you can fill? Can you offer a unique perspective on a particular topic? 3. Look for demand. Identify the topics that are hot and trending in your area of interest. Check out what people are searching for using keywords and search volume tools. This will help you understand what people want to see and what they need help with. 4. Define your audience. Who are you creating content for? What age group are they in? Do they have any specific interests or needs? Understanding your audience will help you to create content that resonates with them. 5. Test your ideas. Once you have identified your niche, test your ideas by creating a few videos. Share them with your friends and family or post them on social media. Analyze the feedback and adjust your content accordingly. Once you have identified your niche, start researching your target audience to determine their interests and what they are looking for when they watch content on YouTube. Look for gaps in the market where you can provide unique value and create content that stands out from the crowd. In summary, identifying a niche is a crucial step in creating a successful YouTube channel. It helps you to focus your content, stand out from the crowd, and attract an engaged audience. Keep in mind that it's essential to choose a topic that you are passionate about and that resonates with your audience.
Step 2. Creating quality content. Once you have identified your niche, the next step is to start creating quality content. Quality content is the foundation of any successful YouTube channel.
To create quality content, start by writing a script or an outline for your videos. This will help you stay on track and ensure that your message is clear and concise.
Next, invest in good equipment, such as a high-quality camera, microphone, and lighting equipment. This will ensure that your videos look and sound professional. Finally, edit your videos to ensure that they are engaging and entertaining. Use transitions, music and graphics to keep your viewers engaged and interested in your content. Also, pay attention to the length of your videos. Shorter videos tend to perform better on YouTube. Step 3. Optimizing your content for SEO. SEO, search engine optimization, is one of the most important factors for growing your YouTube channel. It allows your videos to appear higher in search results, increasing the likelihood that people will find your content. To optimize your content for SEO, use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Use relevant and engaging thumbnails to attract viewers to your video. Also, make sure to engage your viewers by asking questions or starting discussions in the comments section of your videos. This will increase engagement on your channel and help improve your search rankings.
Hey, this is the Magic Voice. Thanks for staying tuned. I have a platform that helps channels grow faster than usual. If you're interested, kindly click on the WhatsApp link in the description section. But first, subscribe, turn on your notification for all videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Finally, leave a comment telling me what you think about this video. When you're done, click the WhatsApp link in the description section. I'll promote your channel. Keep watching for more update.
Step 4. Using social media to promote your channel. Social media is a great way to promote your YouTube channel and reach a wider audience. Use platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to connect with your audience and promote your content. Share links to your YouTube videos on your social media accounts and encourage your followers to share your content with their friends and family. This will increase your reach and help you gain more subscribers. Step 5. Consistency is key. Finally, consistency is key when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. This means creating and uploading new content regularly and sticking to a consistent schedule. This will help your audience know when to expect new videos from you and will help you build a loyal following.
Thanks for watching. Please, if you find this video educative, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you want me to help grow or promote your channel, comment, help me grow, in the comment section. Finally, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell for all videos. My next video will be on how to make passive income from YouTube. Thanks, and see you in my next video.